Hey guys, yo here, welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Today guys, I got a piece of news in Maria. Yeah, whatever we call that thing. It's just weird, yeah. But he tweeted out Parrots will be coming to Minecraft, and yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. And I will show you guys that what he's saying. So yeah, as you see guys on this thing, Maria Lemon, yeah, whatever you call that, Parrots is Steve is the Parrot King. See that bad boy? Well, I got a video from that from AJHQ and I will show you that. Okay, I save it from D in here, so this is it.
So there you go.
Yeah. And wait a sec. And another piece of news is llamas coming to Minecraft Pocket Edition, which is good. And yeah, it's pretty good because we never have still the what's called again, the llamas and the illagers and whatever you call that things. Maybe in 1.1 they will officially release out that they will not ever choose one new stuff. They will choose lots of things in 1.1 point, whatever you call that, 1.1. Yeah, I'm pretty hype about this guys, so I will leave down below the EJHQ's video where I got that. And there's another piece of news right here. We got the I will show you guys. We got this Jason Major tweeted out, where do you want to go when you get your hands on Mcpe 1.1? Well, as you see on this picture, we got Steve holding a lead. He's holding a lead with llamas. You see that llamas right there? But there is one thing that is in here. Take a look at that picture right there. Take a look at that. They're in the dark oak spruce biome, so it maybe they added the illagers, llamas, totem of undying, the woodland mansion, and lots of good stuff in 1.1. I knew it. So that's it for today guys. I'm so sorry because I just got that only piece of news for today's video. Well, I never video for a long time a piece of news when it started in Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.15 because I was pretty hyped because of the Mineblank server, the new added, yeah, and I'm pretty hyped. That's why I never record for a Minecraft news. So yeah, so guys, hope you guys did all enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. I'm so sorry because I didn't video I was about to record maybe 4 videos in one day, but it did not happen because the Aptoid is not still working on the Minecraft. I got no idea That's why I'm still in 1.0.6 beta stock right now. As you see in my gameplay, if my friends got 1.0.6, well, I will go to and I will go share it. And yeah, peace out guys, everybody, and bye. See y'all on the next side.